Everyone knows Berlin for the bakeries and the buggies, but there's a new reason to stop at the intersection of 39 and 62. It's called the Showcase, and it might just be the most curated collection of local finds in Amish country right now. Stick around as we tour every booth. You're going to want to add this to your must visit list for your next trip to Amish country. Also, keep an eye out for a Holmes County hot tip coming up soon. If you've ever visited Holmes County, you know there is a special magic in the air here, from the clip clop of horse drawn buggies to the rolling green hills that stretch for miles. Today I'm taking you inside one of the town's newest gems, the Showcase. Located right in the center of Berlin, where State Route 39 and 62 split, the Showcase isn't your average antique store. It opened its doors in late 2025 and has quickly become a favorite for treasure hunters. As we walk through, you'll see a collection of booths from many different vendors. Every corner of this store feels like a step back in time. Whether you're looking for rare antiques, primitive decor, or those memory joggers that take you straight back to your childhood, there is something here for everyone. The owners have created a space that feels like a home for a moment you walk in. One of the best things about the Showcase is the variety. You can find everything from high-end vintage pieces to unique estate sale finds. It's the kind of place where you want to take your time. Look at every shelf because you never know what hidden gem is waiting in the next booth. Berlin is a place where tradition meets community, and shops like this really highlight the local craftsmanship and the history that make Amish country so special. If you're planning a trip to Holmes County, make sure the Showcase is on your itinerary. Make sure you ask them if you're looking for that one particular thing because they really know all the different products that are in there, all the different items that are located in the store, or if you're just there to browse. Don't plan on just rushing through because it takes a lot of time to look at all the little nooks and crannies and all the little special items that are in here. You know what? Holmes County hot tip. There's parking right alongside of the building and also right behind it. There's a lot of parking back there. So you can park up nice close, right to the store. There is a back entrance where you can walk right in or walk in the front. So either way works. Because you do not want to miss stopping by and checking the store out because it really is a wonderful place to go. The people and the owners are so friendly, so welcoming. You feel right at home as soon as you walk in. If you love the heart of Amish country as much as I do, make sure you hit that follow button. I'm out here every week bringing you the best of Berlin and Holmes County. In the comments, let me know which item was your favorite. And if you're heading to the split in Berlin soon, let the folks at the Showcase know you saw them here on HCOandMORE YouTube channel and the Amish Country Views Facebook page. Thanks for watching.